This is amazing also. What's the address again?
Brīvības gatve 432 building 2.
Here in Jugla.
Jugla, that's one of the suburbs of Riga, Latvia. About furniture as well.
New buttons inside, unfortunately, but still interesting.
But one drive. Shall we take one drive?
I'm not sure. Maybe 2 rides. It's still one of the oldest.
And no floor indicator.
Yeah.
This looks like early 80s. Could be or 70s.
Yeah, 70s I think.
70s, I believe.
Yeah. Serial number is 4336.
Yeah. That's 9 floors. The button is a traditional one.
Yeah.
This one is aged.
Yeah. Look at that wall. I love this night shift.
Same here.
I love the smell and the sounds here.
Same here.
Yes, so let's go get in.
The cab is probably refurbished.
I don't think the door button we're gonna open is working actually. But
Yeah.
Seems to have some sort of sensors here. Damn.
no. It's hard to see through it. You can see a bit.
Yeah.
Damn, it rattles so much.
Oh, those are lock systems here.
Mm-hmm.
They are simple.
Yeah.
Shall we do a second one?
Yeah.
Okay. Because it's only the cab lights.
The cab lights also somehow dims a bit.
Mm.
Yeah, that's common.
Yeah, consumes a lot of energy. Damn.
Yeah.
I thought somebody was coming when I heard those sounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the window here.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, kind of.
This looks weird. Acrobatics.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, but yeah, that's. You can see it now.
Yeah.
But
And
we don't need to.
Yeah.
We have done it.
And it is built by Finland and maintained by
By who?
I'm sorry.
This must be an old KMZ or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
I believe there were other elevator manufacturers, but I think KMZ was more, influential in the Soviet era.
Yeah.
Yes.
The MLM is quite common in Latvia also.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks so much, eh?
Oh yeah.
That's